Welcome back, AI enthusiasts. This week's news takes us on a global tour of AI advancements, from growing confidence in India to crowd management solutions and exam-topping essays. Let's explore the latest developments. India embraces AI in the workplace. A new report reveals over 50% of Indians feel more confident using AI at work. This growing confidence suggests India is poised to be a major player in the global AI landscape. Figma gets a revamp with generative AI. Designers rejoice. Figma, a popular design platform, has unveiled a major redesign and exciting new generative AI features. These features aim to streamline workflows and enhance creative possibilities for designers. Battling AI Robocalls. The fight against fraudulent political robocalls is getting a high-tech boost. The FCC chair is urging telecom companies to detail their efforts in blocking these AI-powered robocalls. This highlights the growing need for solutions to combat this form of political interference. Realme unveils AI-powered smartphones. Smartphone enthusiasts, get ready! Realme, a popular tech brand, has announced its upcoming smartphones will be equipped with AI capabilities. This trend of integrating AI into everyday devices is making technology more intelligent and personalized. AI sales and marketing startup secures major funding. The AI startup scene is thriving. Clay, a company specializing in AI-powered sales and marketing solutions, has secured a significant investment, reaching a valuation of $500 million. This funding underscores the growing importance of AI in optimizing sales and marketing strategies. AI aces exams, but can it replace students? A recent study reveals AI-generated essays have surpassed human performance in university exams. This raises questions about the potential for AI in education, but also prompts discussion about the importance of critical thinking and human creativity alongside AI's capabilities. Kumbh Mela 2025 gets a tech boost. Organizers of the Kumbh Mela, one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, are planning to utilize AI-based technology for crowd management. This innovative approach could improve safety and security for the massive influx of pilgrims expected at the event. Wrapping up. From growing confidence in India to cutting-edge solutions for crowd management, AI continues to reshape various aspects of our lives across the globe. Let me know in the comments below which of these news stories you find most interesting. Do you think AI could genuinely be helpful in managing large crowds? How can we leverage AI in education to enhance learning without replacing human teachers? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.